Hello and welcome to another episode of SqEngineering. Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and in today's episode we are seeing if we can go to the MOT or not. In the last episode I said that the ABS solution that I had did not work, but I might have spoken too soon. There is a possibility that it works and that it's just my previous fix that's disturbing the proper one. So I will need to do that, and also the brake pedal is spongy as a sponge, so I need to bleed them with the ABS active. So I will get started. So as I suspected, this is the cable that I used for a temporary turned semi-permanent turned almost permanent solution for temporarily fixing the left hand front ABS wheel sensor. So these were soldered together, and the actual harness or cables for the ABS sensors, I had taped it shut, so no connection. So I will resolder that and confirm that the fault codes are gone, because if that's gone, then that should mean that my solution works. How cool is that? And I was at the dentist today, so yeah, my mouth is odd, but I will continue with this now. So, ignition on. ABS turns off. Woohoo! So far so good. Let's fix the other stuff. So we have side view mirror, door handle, passenger side, and then the same on the left hand side or the driver's side, but we also need to bleed the brakes. So hopefully I was able to solve the problem with the ABS sensor, and as you can see, maybe it's 16:29. So the MOT was 29 minutes ago and I didn't go. I actually rescheduled already at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I didn't feel like stressing that much, and also I had to bleed the brakes on my own, so that took some time. But yeah, the ABS fault code is gone, which is perfect. So the second step of the verification now is to run it at speed. It seems like it's only 4 or 6 kilometers an hour, and it will do a diagnosis. And if it checks out, then the ABS light will stay off. Otherwise, I'm screwed. We will see. But since I didn't have a fault code on the right hand sensor, I'm very positive. So that would be awesome. Yeah, so fixed the sensor cable, bled the brakes, adjusted the handbrake. Yeah, I also think either that I do need to do the starter relay mod, which is just a band-aid solution, but it works. Currently, if the engine's been hot or warm, I can't start it with the key. So then I need to turn the ignition on and go start it, trigger the starter motor in the engine bay. It works, but it's not really convenient, and I think it's even worse now. The last time I was out driving, I think I really had to get it. I mean, I had to drive for a while before it acted like that. and I'm actually starting to suspect the alarm system. I know that I installed it with a bit too long wires, so that is not working in my favor, but it could also be the normal stuff, so the actual harness in the car. So I think just for the MOT I will do the starter mod, and then do a bunch of rewiring. I anyway need to remake my engine harness, which I already started 10 years ago but haven't finished. Yeah. So also 4:30 and I'm leaving the garage, which is quite odd, but I need to go home and rest, and then work a bit more with my car during the weekend, because it's Friday today. And I see now that I've forgotten some more tools. But yeah, maybe you can see the pile there. I need to throw away some old cardboard boxes. I need to put away the stock brakes and things like that, so that they don't take up space that I need for other things. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.